Hello children, today I'll perform water tricks in front of you. For that you just need one water bottle, net bandage, rubber band, 2 to 3 pencils and empty Ziploc bag. Now let's just fill water in the Ziploc bag for my first trick. See, I have filled water in the zipper bag. Now take any pencil and pass through this zipper bag. See, it's passing through easily. Let me try another one. See, it's passing through the zipper bag and the water is not coming out, because in this zipper bags are made up of polymer, and when you poke a sharp pencil into a plastic, the pencil point slides in between the chain of molecules that make up the polymer. So the molecule chain basically hugs the pencil, making a seal around a pencil that won't let the water out. So you can try this water trick today at your home, which is very easy to do. Now let's move on to another. Now for the second trick, you just need a bottle, bandage and a rubber band. First of all, cover this bottle with this net bandage and fix it with the help of rubber band. Like this. Now add some water in this bottle. As you can see, water is going in easily because of the holes. Now, if I invert this bottle on my hand, and let me remove my hand now. See, water is not coming out of the bottle. Isn't it a trick? But this is happening because of surface tension. Basically, in this, water stays in the bottle even though my hand is removed, because the molecules of water are joined together to form a thin membrane between each tiny opening in this bandage. So you can try these two water tricks today at your home.